guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about the trade which I took yesterday. Watch the full video and you will get a lot of insights and learnings. Don't miss it, guys. Let's get into the video. The name of the stock is Cochin Shipyard. I already traded the stock twice and gained around 50% in just 1 month. And you can see I made a first entry here and add addition positions here. And you can see I made around 50% in this trade within a span of 1 month, and you can clearly see there is institutional buying that is happening here. So I booked around 80% of the profits and around 20% of the positions I left with the stock, and I'm waiting for the stock for addition in the proper entry place. So I kept the 20% position, and as I expected, I thought there will be some kind of consolidation that is happening for some days. As you can see, already the stock is up 50%, so it has a good flag like structure here, and then it broke out, and then I expected here that it will consolidate for some time and it will take support on 10 and 20 day moving averages, and then it will bounce. As I expected, the stock consolidated on the 10 and 20 day moving averages and broke the 20 day moving average, and I was waiting for the next day, because if it opens gap up and comes again up of 20 day moving average, then I will have a good buying force here. So I can clearly see that after breaking of 20 day moving average, on next day it opened with a gap up of 3.5%. It is a strong institutional accumulation that is happening there, and at the end of the day you can see it ended up with 12% gains. And you can also notice that the volumes are popping up with the price, and there is a clear clue that it opened with a 3.5% gap up and it doesn't break the low of that gap. So that shows the strength of the institution. They are holding the stock very strong. So let's see what happens after this, after it breaks out this region. And this is how again just 12% in one day. My stop loss is basically 2.8% here from here, and it gained 12%. So I around 6 or trade for my new addition. There is news on this stock, but I didn't notice that there is news in the stock. Some order has been given to the stock, so due to this that stock gapped up, but I didn't know. I only focused on technicals and the price, how it moves. But basically keep a note of this, guys. Technical comes first, then fundamentals come. You can see using price and volume action, you can see there is a good push happening, and then the news came. So technical comes first, so just trade the price on volume what you see. Don't expect something with news to happen. Don't trade based on newses. Okay, a clean trade with perfect execution is what you needed, right, guys? I planned my trade well with well executed risk, and I traded the stock, not my emotions. I'm not fearful because I have a strict SL in place. So if the stock comes back to my SL, if the SL is hit, that's it, no question there. I close my position. But if SL is not hit, I will make a ton of money because my risk is small. I will get 6 or 5 or 10 or 12 hour trades within a short span of time. So just trading is a probability, guys. Just play as a game, probability game. That's it. If you want to learn how to trade and execute trades like this and make money, feel free to join our community. Kindly check out my website and social media handle links where you can connect with me. You can also join our WhatsApp free discussion group where we will discuss trades and learn from each other. The Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.